Hi, I'm Jeff. I made the Crown Molding Pack, and this is how you get started with Crown Molding Pack version 3. So first, make sure you download the files onto your computer. Then go to Edit, Preferences, go to Add-ons, Install, and you'll want to find the place where you saved your Crown Molding Pack. Hit Install Add-on, and it should install, and then you just click this checkbox to enable it, and you should see version 3. Then you can go ahead and close the Preferences window. And then with any object in your scene, you'll just want to go to this tool panel, and you should see Crown Molding Pack Tools version 3. And it conveniently says that we need to append the .blend file, so I'll go ahead and click that button. It will automatically append that collection into your scene, and you should see all of the different categories as well as all of the different paths. So you can select whichever path you want, go into edit mode for your object and select a face, and then hit convert to CMP path. And that's it. That's how you get started with the Crown Molding Pack. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one.